Hey, this is Samantha here from Recipethis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to cook a 3-bird roast in the air fryer. Before we share this amazing recipe with you, we recommend that you head over to Recipethis.com. At the top of the site is a search bar, and you can search for any of our recipes that are featured on our YouTube channel. So this makes it really easy. So if you see one of our videos and you want step-by-step photos or a free printable recipe card, then that search box is amazing. And then if you scroll down below that, you'll be able to see our categories. And what you can do is, let's say you've got an Instant Pot, you can click on the link just for Instant Pot recipes. The same for the air fryer, slow cooker, soup maker, Thermomix, or whichever recipe you've got. And best of all, I highly recommend you enter your email address and sign up for our weekly newsletter. In our weekly newsletter, we feature all our latest recipes, as long as tips, tricks, popular previous recipes, and so much more. And we just really would like it if you join. And then when you do join, you can reply to any of our newsletters and you'll get direct email response from me or my husband Dominic, and it's just brilliant. You can also look through the archives of our entire site. So let's say you're looking for Christmas ideas, then you can look at December of the previous year or the year before that for some great ideas, search for our categories and do so much more. We've got 1,400 plus kitchen gadget recipes on Recipethis, and I just cannot wait to see you over there and welcome you to the Recipethis family. If you've not had a 3-bird roast before, then this is what they look like. And basically, it means that it's 3 birds in one or something similar. It's also known as a turducken as well. So that means it's like part turkey, part duck, and part chicken. And then they're often wrapped in bacon as well, and they're absolutely delicious. They're very popular in the UK for your Christmas lunch, and they're just so easy for cooking in the air fryer. So that's the kind of size that they are. And then we've got a bit of cling film on this one, so I'm just going to remove it to one side. And then once you've got it open, I'm just going to dab my hands, a bit of good seasoning, good salt, a bit of pepper, and then it's ready to go into the air fryer basket. The time and temp can vary depending on your size, but for this one, for example, we're going to start off with half an hour and then see how it's doing. So set the time to 30 minutes and then the temperature to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and then we can come back to it in half an hour and see how it's doing. And we've beeped. So let's check to see how our 3-bird roast is doing. Wow, that bacon is already looking fantastic, and that's just off your 30 minutes. So now we're just going to put it on for another 15 minutes and then it should be done by then. So place it back in. Set the time to 15 minutes and the temperature to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And we've beeped. So let's check on our 3-bird roast, shall we? Wow, oh, talk about crispy bacon heaven. It looks absolutely fantastic. And the good thing about the bacon in the air fryer is it helps keep moist what's inside it, so it's perfect for the duck, because duck's so easy to dry out. So now let me show you a closer look of it. And there you have it. That's a perfect 3-bird roast. And then you can just grab it like that and then use a fork to perfectly move it from the air fryer basket, and then we can leave it to sit for a little while before Dominic slices it. It does stick a little bit at the bottom, but if you add foil, it doesn't circulate the air properly around the air fryer, so it's just a quick clean job really to get it back to new. And we've beeped. So let's check to see how our 3-bird roast is doing. Wow, that bacon is already looking fantastic, and that's just off your 30 minutes. So now we're just going to put it on for another 15 minutes and then it should be done by then. So place it back in. Set the time to 15 minutes and the temperature to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And that's what it actually looks like. Air fried duck is amazing. Air fried chicken and turkey are amazing. Wrapped in bacon as well, and it's a dream come true. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.